Kuya Dodge, anong magiging rules mo dito? Anong magiging role mo?
Ako yung kapagalitan ng asawa ko dahil
Kasama po namin dito si Kuya Dodge. So nandito kami sa part ng El Nido. At yan, so yung mga kasama namin. So we're going to have some scene here for a vlog entry comedy for tourism. At isa yung kasama namin, si Team Galaan, si Kuya Dodgy. Siya yung isa sa mga magpo-portray ng character for the comedy entry of tourism dito sa El Nido. Kuya Dodge. Ang ganda dito guys. Oh. So by the way guys, we are here in Barangay Villa La Paz, where we introduce a untouched waterfalls of... Kuya, anong tawag dito? Kapwa? Kabuanga. So as you can see here, this is a Kabuanga Falls. Well, Kabuanga is derived from a plant na yung ginagawang pawid, ganon. So, kung mapapansin nyo to guys, we are almost at the peak of this mountain. At sa baba niyan, dito, so mapapansin nyo, meron pa yan siyang cliff. So, meron yan siyang water dyan. Nandito lang kami sa station para gumawa ng mga scene here for our video entry of the tourism here in El Nido. And nakakatawa kasi it's not just about the tourism, kung hindi may pagka-comedy while we are promoting the destinations that are also considered to visit here in El Nido. When you are going to have a visit here in El Nido, aside the popular destinations like the Secret Lagoon or the island hopping here, I just want you to know that El Nido has also its mga ganitong klaseng falls that not really known or famous to visit.